What makes Bosscoder's SD programs different? If you're a software engineer with 1 to 6 years of experience, you have probably experienced this at some point. You know you're capable of more. You know there are engineers with similar experience getting into companies like Amazon, Walmart, Adobe, Atlassian, Microsoft, Flipkart, and many other top product based companies. But when you start preparing for those opportunities, things get overwhelming. There are hundreds of DSA sheets, thousands of LeetCode problems, endless system design videos, and now AI is changing industry faster than ever. The problem isn't lack of resources. The problem is knowing what to learn, what to ignore, and how to prepare efficiently while managing a full-time job. We have noticed that most people don't struggle because they are not capable enough. They struggle because they don't have the right roadmap, guidance, and support system. That's exactly why we have built Transformer. Transformer is a 6-month live, mentor-led software engineering program designed specifically for engineers with 1 to 6 years of experience who want to become stronger engineers and unlock better career opportunities. Now, on surface, a lot of programs look similar. They all promise DSA, system design, mentorship, and placements. But after helping thousands of students transition into better opportunities, we have learned that outcomes aren't driven by features alone. They are driven by how these features are designed and delivered. Which brings me to 5 things that I believe make Bosscoder's Transformer program fundamentally different from most other upskilling programs out there. Number 1 is the curriculum itself. Most engineers don't struggle because they lack resources. They struggle because they don't know what to focus on. There are thousands of DSA sheets, system design courses, and AI tutorials online. But which topics actually matter for someone with 1 to 6 years of experience aiming for top product companies? That's exactly what Transformer program solves. It's designed by engineers who are currently working at top product based companies and who were once in the same position you're in today. They know which concepts matter, which skills companies evaluate, and what engineers need to master to unlock better opportunities. That's why the curriculum focuses on problem solving, system design, full stack development, and applied Gen AI in a structured roadmap designed to help you become a stronger engineer and crack better roles. Because when you're already working a full time job, you don't need more content. You need a roadmap built by people who already know the path. Number 2 is live instructor-led classes. Most engineers already have access to content. What they don't have is accountability, interaction, and feedback. You might understand a concept while watching a video, but the real challenge begins when you have to solve problems on your own. That's why Transformer focuses on live classes where learners interact directly with instructors, ask questions in real time, discuss approaches, and build a deeper understanding of concepts. Because software engineering isn't something you learn by passively consuming content. You learn it by solving problems, making mistakes, asking questions, and improving through feedback. Number 3 is dedicated one-on-one mentorship. Every engineer has different strengths, weaknesses, and career goals. That's why mentorship plays such an important role in the Transformer journey. Our mentors are engineers who have cracked top product-based companies and successfully made the career transitions you are aiming for today. They have been in your shoes and they understand the challenges you are facing. And they know the common gaps that hold engineers back. Whether it's identifying weak areas, creating a preparation strategy, reviewing progress, conducting mock interviews, or helping you stay consistent. Mentors provide personalized guidance throughout your journey because sometimes the difference between getting stuck and getting an offer is simply having someone who knows the path show you where to focus. Number 4 is real interview preparation and practical learning. One of the biggest reasons engineers struggle in interviews is that they prepare randomly. They solve a few LeetCode problems, watch a few system design videos, and hope for the best. But top product-based companies don't hire based on hope. They hire based on demonstrated problem-solving ability. That's why Transformer includes curated DSA practice, company-specific interview preparation, mock interview simulations, guided assignments, and industry-relevant projects. Learners don't just learn concepts. They practice solving problems under the interview conditions, communicate their thought processes, and build the confidence needed to perform when it matters. Because knowing the answer and being able to arrive to the answer during an interview are two very different skills. Number 5 is end-to-end placement support. Even highly skilled engineers sometimes struggle to get interview calls, not because they lack ability, but because their profile isn't positioned correctly. That's why Transformer includes complete career support throughout the journey. It starts with profile building, where we help optimize resumes, LinkedIn profiles, and overall professional presence. Then comes interview readiness through mock interviews, preparation guidance, and personalized feedback. And finally, learners gain access to referrals through our mentors and alumni network, along with opportunities from hundreds of hiring partners, because career growth isn't just about acquiring skills. It's about turning those skills into real opportunities. And that's exactly what Transformer is designed to help you do. And when you combine a curriculum built by engineers from top product-based companies, live instructor-led learning, personalized mentorship, structured interview preparation, and end-to-end placement support, you're putting yourself in best possible position to unlock better opportunities, because career growth really comes from doing one thing right. It comes from having the right roadmap, the right guidance, and the right preparation, and the right opportunities working together. And that's exactly what we have tried to build with Transformer. If you'd like to learn more about the program, check out the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.